Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clone a website with 10web, step by step. Cloning your website is a smart way to create a duplicate for testing or development, saving you significant time and effort. 10web offers a streamlined process, often completing a full site copy in under 10 minutes. We will cover the essential steps to get your site duplicated efficiently and effectively. First, log into your existing WordPress website's administrative dashboard. From there, go to the Plugins menu on the left-hand side and select Add New. You will then search for the 10web Manager plugin. Install and activate this plugin, which acts as the bridge between your current site and the 10web platform. This crucial step prepares your site for a smooth, one-click transfer. Upon activating the 10web Manager plugin, you will be redirected to your 10web dashboard. Here, you will be prompted to enter a temporary subdomain for your clone site, such as my site, 10web site. Also, select a data center location closest to your target audience for optimal performance. With these details entered, simply click the Migrate button to initiate the automated cloning process, which typically takes only a few minutes. Once the migration is complete, you will receive an email notification confirming your site has been successfully cloned. It is vital to thoroughly test your new 10web website, checking all pages, forms, and features to ensure everything functions as expected. Finally, update your domain's DNS records to point to your new 10web hosting, making your cloned site live to the world. This ensures a seamless transition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.